Hi guys, so for today I'm gonna show you some of the men's wallet. I think these are one of our most popular wallet. Okay, they always have it in store at the Coach outlet. Okay, so this one is the material is a leather. Okay, so the compartment inside is like this, and you can put your ID here, and the best thing is if you don't need it, you can just take out and you can use either one. Okay, so if you are a simple person, sometimes you just need a card, so you just bring this one. But yeah, if you need notes, so you can use this one. Okay, the features are the same for the rest, but I think some people will go for this one because of the material. You can see this is also leather, but they have the embossed C here, so people will go for this one. I think this is one of our best selling wallet. Okay, have the Coach there. The inside is like this. You can also take out. Yep. Okay, so this is one more that is one of our hot selling item. This is made of PVC coated canvas, so it's not leather, but of course this is from Coach, so the quality is good. Okay, so you can see there's like Oxblood color this side of it. Okay, this is one of the famous wallet as well. Okay, so which one do you like the most?